In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change signature on Outlook Office 365. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean professional email signature in Outlook on the web and how to make it look great every time you send a message. First, open your web browser and go to outlook.live.com, then sign into your account. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. This opens a quick panel where you can adjust how Outlook behaves and looks. From there, select Account. This takes you into the full settings area where you can manage details tied to your mailbox. In this section, choose Signatures. This is the place where all your signatures are stored and managed. Now click Add Signature. If you already have signatures, you'll see them listed here, and you can select one to edit instead. Giving your new signature a clear name is helpful, especially if you plan to use different signatures for different scenarios, like a full professional signature or a shorter reply version. Type a simple, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Next, type the content of your signature. Include the essentials, your full name, your role, your organization, and optional items like your website or a general contact method. Keep it concise and easy to scan. Remember, this is what recipients will see at the end of every message, so clarity and consistency matter. Now personalize your signature. Use the formatting toolbar to adjust font size and style, add bold for your name, and insert line breaks to keep things tidy. You can add clickable links to your website or calendar, and, if needed, insert a small company logo. Keep images modest in size so emails load quickly, and consider using web-safe fonts for consistent display. Aim for good contrast so it's readable in both light and dark modes, and keep the layout mobile-friendly with short lines and minimal columns. If you use social icons, link them properly and add alt text for accessibility. Avoid pasting from rich documents that carry unwanted styles. If things look off, clear formatting and reapply it within the editor. When everything looks right, click Save. Outlook will store your signature so it's ready to use. If you see options to apply it automatically to new messages or replies, choose the default behavior that fits your workflow. Otherwise, you can insert it while composing. That's it. You've created and personalized your Outlook signature. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sending emails that look polished and professional.